attempting to solve the nature versus nurture argument, there are two members of my household who are not genetically related, so if they react similarly to being vacuumed, then that would be nurture, because they have no genetics in common. Alright, there's Hannah, and there's the vacuum. Look, watch. Oh, good Hannah. Yes, Hannah likes to be vacuumed. Yeah, when you vacuum your head, yeah, and your sides, back there in your legs, there you go. Yeah. He takes it better than I thought he would. So I guess we are forced to conclude that nurture rules the day. Both seem to almost like it.